Good day. Today we're going to learn how to install BlueJ, a free and easy to understand Java IDE for beginning programmers. This is coming from Homelessness. First, you'll want to navigate to the URL as seen above, bluej.org/versions.html. Once you get to this page, you will want to go down to the headings Downloads. For 64-bit, Windows 7 or newer, includes JDK. Go to the MSI installer link, which is blue. This is the easiest way to install it. Click on this. Next, there'll be a pop-up prompting you to save the file. You want to save it to the hard drive, so click Save File. Next, you'll want to go to the Downloads folder on your Windows 10 machine. This is for Windows. The installation is. You want to double click on BlueJ Windows.msi. The version will change in the future. Double click. Next, you'll see a BlueJ setup screen, and starting this BlueJ setup wizard. Click on Next. The default is Install Just for You, but you don't want that. You want Install for all users of this machine. That way it plays nicely with everyone else. Click Next. You'll want to keep all the file associations and the shortcuts like this. That's the default. Click Next. Also, you will want to keep program files BlueJ as the path. Click Next. Now you're ready to install BlueJ. Click Install. It should pop up with a window with the UAC asking you to, if you want to make a program wants to make changes to this computer, you should say OK. Next, after some time, BlueJ will set up, and you'll want to click Finish. Next, you'll see a desktop shortcut with a BlueJ icon like this. You'll want to double click on this, and it will bring up BlueJ. In our next video, we will show you how to start your first program in BlueJ, a very easy to use a Java IDE. Thank you for watching Immersive Tech. Have a good day.